What's up? Oh man, it's been a fairly relaxing day for me, just chilling at home today, and so now I'm gonna open up some Kid Cudi shoes and my last pickup from the Supreme drops. Yeah, work has been crazy. It's been finally slowing down. I work at the post office. I gotta put in a lot of hours. For December, I was working 7 days a week and just trying to save up some money to do some things me and Abby, my wife, really want to see happen in our life. Yeah, I'm always saving up for streetwear stuff, but I do trade this stuff around. Everything that I have and I show you guys is pretty much tradable on this channel. And so, yeah, you can sell stuff to people that are looking for it, and then you can buy the new items that you really want, or you can just trade straight across. Somebody has something you want, you have something they want, totally just trade that way. Yeah, subscribe to this channel, hit that like button. I just want to create a community online of people who are just helping each other out, can be looking at different items, know what's legit, what's not legit. Everything I'm able to pick up from the retailers, I try and show you guys so you know how things look like when you first get them. So this week from Supreme, or actually this Christmas week of Supreme, I did get the Mariah Carey tee. I showed you guys that in the last video, so make sure to check that out. This is the second part of it. It's actually from that same week, so I did get a Mariah Carey sticker. This one is in good condition. In the last video, you'll see that sticker was totally trashed, but yeah, Merry Christmas, baby. And then I got another Supreme on Fire sticker, another one of these pink dudes, portrait things, I don't know, and then a Supreme box logo sticker. Now, last week I did get one of the Stay Positive buttons, but you guys didn't really see it because I didn't focus on it, so I'll make sure to do that this time. But they're providing these free buttons in with their Christmas gift, or Christmas order, I should say. A bunch of them had those buttons. And also, I grabbed the cap. So you guys can see now I'm wearing the 2018 Astroworld cap. I was able to pick this up from a friend on Twitter, and I thought I'd just kind of see how this dad cap compares to the new Supreme dad cap. I got that small box logo on there, and it has this sticker label on it. There's your sticker label. Small box logo cap. And yeah, looking pretty legit. A nice sort of, I don't know, like it's flexible, but it's also really stiff, this Cordura fabric. I'll do some close-ups on this so you guys can know what's legit. There's your little tiny box logo on the front of the cap. Yeah, so basically this is all nylon except for this part right here they're saying is cotton. Behind your forehead or behind the top of your hair, I don't know. I guess it depends on who's wearing it. But yeah, definitely a nice solid hat, good quality. Doesn't have a whole lot of bend to the bill yet. This one already has a ton of bend, and it's been a little bit used, but let's zoom in on the embroidery on this Astroworld. It's kind of cool. But yeah, so this hat just barely fits this Astroworld hat. We'll see how this Supreme hat, seems like it's a little bit bigger. Yeah, it is. It goes almost all the way down to my ear, so it is a fairly large dad hat. If you normally get dad hats and they're all too small, none of them ever fit you, this corduroy one definitely should fit you. What do you guys think? You guys like it? Yeah, this hat fits me a lot better than the Astroworld hat. So, but seriously, I might keep it. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Anyways, I'm going to get into the Kid Cudi sneakers from Foot Locker. I'm pretty sure that's what this pair is. There was some issues with it. This got delivered to a bad address. I'm thinking a lot of people who wanted these have already snagged them. You want to check them out, you know, see somebody show off their pair before you grab your own pair, or maybe you grabbed a pair and now you just want to see everybody else who has them. I don't know what's going on. But anyways, very giant box. Looks like we also got a little ad from Foot Locker trying to get us to buy more. 25% off coupon. Yeah, this is a giant Adidas box. Just humongous. One of the biggest I've seen maybe ever. I don't know. But here's the label on there. Label. The box just all regular morning information made with earth-friendly materials. There we go. All right, well, let's go ahead. We'll unbox this pair. And, oh, I can't even see. Got some other set of laces that come with it, apparently. Because the main laces are pink. Oh, man. So intense. This shoe looks crazy from this angle. I want to get this thing off here. Look at all these Velcro straps on here. Ooh, it's nice. This is really fuzzy suede on here. 326, that's a special number for Kid Cudi's daughter. So it's not like you're trying to just come up with a random number or something like that. I know that New Balance uses 327, and some people might get, actually I got a pair of 327s. Oh, they're right here. Yeah, those blue and yellow ones. But yeah, this is a 326, so a little bit different. Okay, there we go. Got that off today. Alright, yeah, so there's so much going on with this pair of sneakers. You do have the Kid Cudi emblem, Moon Man on there. Let me see if I can get a good angle for you guys to actually see this. But on the insole, you've got a moon-faced man. Do you see that? It's called a moon man. Or that's what we're calling it. It's got a moon for eyes and hair or fire all around it. I don't even know, but oh, look at this plump thing back here. It's like really squishy foam inside of that thing. Oh, look, the Moon Man emblem is on the back of the heel as well. Look at that. Both on there. This shoe really just makes me think of Napoleon Dynamite. And that's mainly because these straps are really reminiscent of those old snow boots, or, you know, current ones. Maybe people still buy them where they're just like a bunch of straps and fluffy, squishy material and cushioning all around. You do have a really cushioned heel right here, just so much cushioning and padding. You got a bunch of different suede parts on here, as well as milled leather, and then just worked leather. These do run for 180 bucks, so you are going to be getting some premium products with this pair. This rubber piece back here just covers up this suede. Hopefully you don't have too much junk that kind of collects back there, but I feel like dirt would probably collect back there, so you want to clean that if you want to keep this pair really nice and neat and clean. On the bottoms, you do have that same pink from the 326, the laces, and now on the bottom you have it for the torsion system, and then also this little accent right there. In at the heel, it says there's soft cell in there, so yeah, soft cell. Must be pretty nice. As for sizing on this pair, all right, yeah, so these are definitely running true to size. I would say just buy your regular size. I don't think you'll need to size up. I was able to slide my foot in there pretty easily. Very open in there, but it looks like there are a lot of options for you to tighten it up a bit. Although this Velcro doesn't really tighten. It literally like is just sewn in there, and it's locked solid. So I guess it's on like this stretchy piece of material right here, so that at least stretches for you to throw your foot in there. For the most part, these two straps up here are pretty much just for looks. I guess maybe you could get a little bit more tightness out of them, but for the most part, you're going to be getting all of your tightness from this lace structure underneath here. These pink laces are going to be pulling that lace tight for you, although probably won't want to wear these crazy tight. I don't think that's what these are meant for. These are more meant as a winter shoe, just to keep you warm in those super cold conditions. I'm hoping they have some good comfort to them. It looks like they put that torsion system in there to keep your foot all nice and solid, and then they did put the soft cell in there, which I mean, I don't even know really what that does very much, but let me see if this insole comes out. Okay, so the insole is actually glued down at the toe area, so I can't really get it out of there, but underneath, I'll show you guys. All white stitching in there, or I mean the fabric on the footbed is all white, the stitching on the edges is all black, and you just have that one little punch hole at the heel. And then for your sizing tag on this pair, you have this information tag on the back of the tongue there. The tongue is kind of cool. It has a sideways Adidas sign on there. So Definitely some cool vibes with this pair. And even this sole is looking pretty cool. I really like how they did that sole as well. Very futuristic looking, just like these angles they got going on everywhere. Definitely go true to size like I was saying, and keep your feet warm. If you want to wear a bunch of thick socks, size up because you're not gonna have enough room in there. And then lastly, I am gonna get into the last items of this Supreme box. I totally forgot to take out my teddy bear tee. I did get one other tee for that Christmas week. At first, I didn't think that I got the Mariah Carey tee. He told me that I didn't get it and I had to try again. So I went back in, it was sold out. So I went after this teddy bear tee with his eyes all crazy. Look at his eyes. Look at those eyes. All crazy. And he's happy. Supreme protection from suckers. And there's your little sticker tag on there. You also have your tag on the back of the neck. Information on there. A little subtle Supreme printed on there. And some hidden ink. And yeah, made in USA. For sizing on Supreme tees, this one's a size large. This is a size large Supreme tee, and it's sized exactly the same as this teddy bear tee, or pretty much any tee from 2017 and above. Yeah, I'm 6'1", 150 pounds. You're gonna be looking at a true to size for pretty much every Supreme item. This is a size large, so it's a tiny bit bigger than maybe other size larges might be, depending on the brand. But like overall, Supreme does do very standard sizing. You're not gonna find that everything fits super small or anything like that, thankfully. You should be pretty happy just buying your regular normal size that you always wear. So before I let you go, I do want to shoot some positivity at you. I have this meme. I've been really getting into just sharing memes with you guys because I don't know, like there's a bunch of different communication styles and just me just reading something. I mean, I've been doing that like since I started, so maybe I should change it up a little bit. This meme, I saw it I think 2 days ago. Yeah, it looks like it. It was really funny, so I had to save it. God is up there. Are you winning, son? And you got Jesus down there on the cross with 2 Roman soldiers all cheering, and he's saying it's sort of complicated. When you're trying to do something really amazing or do something big and world changing and trying to do something to push ethics of people at a higher level, you know, it might not seem like you're getting anywhere. It might seem like everything's falling apart, your plan's not working. But this meme just reminds me that even at your lowest point, when it seems like it's all falling apart, it's destroyed, there may still be hope on the other side. Time still continues even after your lowest point. Moments keep going, and yeah, time is ruthless. It just never stops. It just, I mean, the clock keeps ticking away. I can't get any younger. I can't get any, well, I'm continuously getting older. I guess we're all kind of getting older at the same pace depending on how well we take care of ourselves. That's a little rabbit trail. But yeah, I really just got encouraged because I was thinking that maybe I'm not getting anywhere with what I'm trying to do. I'm an artist myself. I was raised to be an artist. My parents really let me just be creative like I wanted to be, with music, with painting, with collecting artistic things, different artsy things, being in theater plays, I don't know, a bunch of different weird things I was just into. But sometimes life can just hit you and you feel like there's no going forward from it. And when Jesus was hanging up on that cross and it seemed like all hope was gone, it was all over, no, that was just the beginning. After the whole life of Jesus, with him sharing with people how to be true with each other, how to be loving to each other, how to be honest with each other, accepting all humanity, accepting all life on earth and valuing it, seems like all hope is lost. But no, his message has really carried on. I know there's a lot of negative connotations about his message. A large group of people have used his message to push forward their agenda, to prop themselves up above a lower class of people, or different things like that throughout history. People have used Jesus' message to do things that benefit their agendas and their group and their families and whatnot. I mean, but we all just want to succeed. We want to have our children succeed. We want to have our friends and family do well. And so I understand why groups of people will fall into that trap. But hey, now is an awakening time, especially in the United States where I live right now. Seriously, we are being made aware of all these situations and all of these non-truths that have been fed to us. And we can really capitalize on this moment by accepting this information and really acting on it, just doing things to help all the people around us understand that we can each make a difference for the planet as a whole. We can each do our part to really make a difference and spread some love, spread some joy, spread some positivity. You know, you gotta stay positive in these rough times, like this Supreme button says. And so my hope, the vibes I'm gonna be sending out to you, is just to have the strength to be able to do those things you need to see done in your community to make it a better place and to bring awareness to things that have been neglected. I know that's happening a lot right now, and yeah, it's just a change in season. So let's change ourselves, and with that, the whole world.
About to have a party in the hood. Ain't work but a snack, one tryna get a meal. Ever since it changed my life, I'ma walk that walk, boy, tryna get it right. Tryna do right now. If it's working,